Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today is a super exciting day because it's a Christmas unboxing of sorts. Now, some of you may or may not know, but I am very good friends with two other YouTubers, DIARYOFA40SOMETHING and Lightning Lass, who are Claire and Michelle, and we met up this past weekend and we'd arranged to do a Christmas like mystery beauty box kind of thing for each other. So I'd do one for Claire and Michelle would do one for me and Claire, and so on like that. So we swapped the presents and I'm now going to open the one from Claire. I'm so excited. I'll link her channel down below. I think we should try and get her to 10,000 before Christmas, see if we can do it. We've got like a week and a half. I feel like we can just get Claire to 10k for Christmas. That'd be amazing. But we had a budget, I think it was a £20 budget, and yeah, I'm gonna open it. So this is how Claire's came, in a really pretty bag, and then inside is all the goodies. So I'm gonna grab this one first because I know what this is. I'm like pretty sure I know what this is, just because she gave Ben some as well. She gave Ben 2 of these. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is a bottle of Mythos, because Mythos is my favourite drink in the world. This is a Greek lager and I just absolutely love it. If it didn't get me drunk, I would just drink this all the time because I love the taste of it. It's so good. So that's my first thing. Thank you, I love it. I love the paper. I wrap mine up in like toddler paper. Can't get this one. Oh, I can't get this one. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's BH Cosmetics Solar Flare. Oh, this looks pretty. 18 colour baked eyeshadow palette. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Baked eyeshadows just look so beautiful, don't they? Look at that. Oh my god. I've got to touch them. Shit. The bed. Okay, I'm just going to swatch 3. Oh my goodness. I've swatched Wavelength, Orb and Gamma Ray. Oh my goodness. I've got no bloody space. I'm already covered in swatches. Wow, they are so pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to use that. Oh, I'm so worried that they're not going to like the boxes that I made them. I always panic when I give people presents. That's so amazing. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, I've got a little one here. What are you? Oh, what are you? A liquid catsuit, liquid eyeshadow. Who's this by? Oh, it is Wet n Wild. Doesn't it? I've got liquid catsuit lipsticks. I know why she got me this. It's look at the packaging. Skulls. How cool is that? I've got to open it. I've got to open it. Oh my goodness. What is this one called? Nyctophilia? I don't know what that is. This is liquid eyeshadow. Oh wow. Look at this. Look how shimmery that is. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm going to play with that later, I think. Like this matches my nails perfectly at the minute. Claire! Oh my god, what's this? There's some sprouts in the bottom. Chocolate sprouts. Another little one. I can't open it, I can't open it. Good. Oh, it's something else with the same packaging. Oh my god, this is a metallic lipstick. Look, this is Wet n Wild as well. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is called Pastel Grunge. Oh wow. Wet n Wild lipsticks are so nice. Look at that. That is so cool. Look how shimmery that is. Wow. I'm so excited to try all this. My hand is an absolute mess. Look at that. Okay, what's next? This. Ooh. This feels like a book. Oh wow. Scribblicious A5 glitter and sparkle notepad. Let me get this open. I love stationery. Bloody love stationery. Oh my god, the girls are totally going to want to steal this. Look at this. That is so cool. My time to shine. And it's got this. That's so cool. I love it. This is awesome. Oh, I'm so worried about your one now, Claire. I hope you like it. What's this? This feels like a book as well. I've just thrown my tweezers somewhere. I just launched them. What's this? Christmas at a Cornish cafe. Philippa Ashley. Oh, I'm excited. I love reading. I don't ever get to read as much as I should do, but this is like my ideal kind of book. And I'm so bad. I am someone, I do judge books by their cover, especially like, I'm guessing this is like a romantic book, like a funny kind of easy reading romantic one. I always judge them by their covers, and that's really cute. I'm going to start reading this afternoon because my head hurts and I want to just sit and read. I love it. Okay, my last thing. This feels like a book. Whoa. Oh, The Winter House. Oh, this is like a thriller. She's literally picked my two favourite kinds of books. Stuff you don't have to think about reading, and thrillers. We're set in the Scottish Highlands. Oh. This is wonderfully atmospheric, a thriller of the emotions that keeps you guessing to the end. I love it. Claire, that was the most amazing box of presents. Thank you so much. How lovely is she? Seriously. Oh, I love it. I really hope you like yours. I'll link all the other girls' unboxings down below in the description box. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I'm running a Christmas giveaway, which I will link somewhere around here. Thank you so much to Claire for this. This is so lovely. I cannot wait to try these. And the packaging is like insane. I don't know how I've never seen that. How have I not been tagged in that before? Because it's so cool. That's literally like the snazziest packaging ever. I'm a sucker for packaging. Yeah, I'm super excited. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.